Hey guys, let me show you how my family loves to eat chiles rellenos. Typically, chiles rellenos are served with a tomato sauce, but we in Sinaloa like to make it with a broth. If you guys have never had it like this, let me show you how. For this recipe, we're gonna start off by roasting our peppers. I'll be roasting 5 poblano peppers. Once they're fully roasted, I'm gonna put them in a bag so they can sweat. This just makes it easier to peel. I'm gonna start peeling the peppers. They already sweated, so it makes it way easier to peel. And I like using a spoon as well. That way I don't burn my hands. Once clean, I'm gonna cut it open and remove the seeds. Now I'm gonna slice the cheese so I can stuff the peppers. I'm using Monterrey Jack Cheese, but you can always use the cheese of your choice. And I like to add about 4 to 5 slices. You can always add less or more if you like. Once they're all stuffed, I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on top. Well, actually on all sides, and this is so when you dip the chile into the egg sticks. And now we can begin working on our broth. For the broth, I'll be using 3 Roma tomatoes that I'm gonna dice. I'm also gonna slice half of a small white onion, half a jalapeño, and last I'm gonna mince 3 garlic cloves. For the broth, I set my pot on medium heat and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna start frying the onion, the jalapeño, and the garlic cloves. We fry for about 30 seconds. Next, we add in the tomatoes. We cook for about a minute or until the tomato releases all its juice. It's been 1 minute. I'm gonna add 6 cups of boiling water. Once all the water is in, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We mix it well. And it's the perfect time to check to see if you need more chicken bouillon. Mine needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna add more. And I'm adding 1 more teaspoon. Mix it again. Once it's boiling, I'm gonna add a small bunch of cilantro. Then we cover it up and continue cooking for about 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, and as you can see, our broth is now ready. I'm gonna set it to the side and start working on our egg. For the egg batter, I'm gonna be using 5 eggs, and I'll be separating the egg whites and the yolk. Now we beat the eggs until they're fluffy, and this is how we want it. For me, it took about 3 minutes, and now we're gonna add in the yolks along with 1 teaspoon of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we continue mixing. Now we start frying. I set my pan on medium heat with some oil. We start off by dipping in the poblano peppers into the egg batter, and we fry. And we're gonna fry for about 30 seconds on each side. This one is ready. I'm gonna take it out, and we continue doing the same for the rest of the peppers. Now it's time to serve myself, and this is how I serve it. We add some rice, the chile on top, and then we add in the broth. And look at how delicious it looks. Honestly, my mouth is watering. All right, guys, this is my favorite part. I'm so hungry. Cheers. Honestly, it's so good. The broth is super flavorful. The chile, here's the one thing about chiles rellenos. I don't like to air fry them or anything because they overcooked. But when you roast them just fine, they're still crunchy. This is how I grew up eating them, with broth. So if you've never tried them like that, let me know how you guys have them. For us, I don't know if it's a Sinaloa thing or not, but let me know what you guys think, or if you guys have them different. And there you have it, delicious chiles rellenos. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!